If you want to connect Twitter, now known as X, to Mailchimp, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to find the integration, connect the account, choose the right audience, and complete the sign-in so everything is linked properly. This is a really useful setup if you want to manage your audience, grow your email list, and connect your social presence with your Mailchimp marketing tools. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Make sure you're signed into the correct Mailchimp account before you start, especially if you manage more than one brand or business. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the integration section. This is where Mailchimp keeps all the available apps and connections that can work with your account. After you click integrations, use the search bar and type Twitter, then hit enter. Mailchimp may show the integration under X, since Twitter has officially rebranded to X. That's completely normal, so don't worry if you don't see the old Twitter name everywhere. Once the result appears, click on X, formerly Twitter, to open the integration page. On the integration page, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect to begin linking the service to your Mailchimp account. This is the step that starts the authorization process, so make sure you're ready to sign in to the correct X account when prompted. If you're connecting this for a business or brand, double check that the social account and Mailchimp audience you choose match your marketing goals. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to select the audience you want to connect. This part is important because the audience determines where your contacts and campaign data will be linked. Choose the audience that best fits the list you want to use, then continue by clicking Connect again. This confirms the setup and moves you to the account authorization step. Now you'll be prompted to sign in and approve the connection. Enter the login details for your X account if requested, then follow the on-screen permission steps. Once you approve access, Mailchimp will finish the connection automatically. After a few moments, you should see that the integration is successfully connected. At this point, your Twitter or X account is linked with Mailchimp, and you can begin using the integration as needed for your marketing workflow. Whether you're building awareness, growing your audience, or managing connected tools, this setup helps keep everything organized inside Mailchimp. And that's it. You've successfully connected Twitter or X to Mailchimp. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.